Okay, messages, very important. What is it that's travelling down these cables? Well, they're called messages. If you know a little bit about MIDI, you'll know that when you press a key on a MIDI keyboard, it sends a message. It sends a note-on message. Macs was originally designed to work with MIDI, and the messages which gets passed down these cables are really very similar to the system of MIDI messages. So, what kind of message is actually coming out of this Metro object and travelling down this cable? I'm going to make a new object, one which we've seen before, object called print. And let's cable the outlet of the Metro object to the inlet of the print object. Let's see what's actually coming out of the outlet of the Metro. I'm going to lock the patch, start it running, and you can see this may be a little unexpected, but the message which is coming out of the Metro is actually a message which says bang. Bang is actually an extremely common and useful message in Macs, and what bang means is do what you do. In the case of this button object, when we send it the message bang, it basically presses the button and makes it flash briefly. Now, as well as creating objects, we can create messages. This is a very important point on which you must be clear. These are all objects, and a message and an object are two different things. So if I unlock the patch and go here, this is an object and this is a message. When we create a new message, you can notice it has a different appearance. It's kind of got a grey filled in look as opposed to the hollow look of an object. A message can be anything at all. So I'm going to create a message here which is going to be hello and connect it to the print object. Lock the patch, and when I click on a message it acts actually just like a button, and as you can see there it sends the message hello to the Macs window. This is not particularly useful as the message hello is just one that I made up. I'm just going to reorganize things a little bit here. Let's unlock the patch. Let's take the output, let's print from the number box, and let's send this message to the number box. So now we're going to send the message hello to the number box, which isn't very useful because you'll realize here that number doesn't understand the message hello. What I'm going to do here is unlock the patch and change the message hello to the message bang. Now, if you remember, what bang means is do what you do. And if we send the message bang to a number box does what it does and sends out the message 500. I could also, again, reorganize things a bit, take the bang message and change that, move that. So I'm now sending, give me a second, bang to the inlet of Metro. Okay, so what bang means is do what you do, and in the case of the Metro, that means to start playing. Now, how can I stop it? Well, I'll create another new message, unlock the patch, there, new message. This new message here is going to be stop, and I'm going to send the stop message to the metronome, lock the patch, and the message stop sent to the metronome stops the Metro. So, what goes down these cables is messages. One other thing to realize is that numbers are also messages. So for instance, I can unlock the patch, create a new message, and that message can be a number, and I can send a number to my number box, lock the patch. There we are. So numbers, in fact, are one of the commonest types of messages we send in Macs. More about messages coming up in the next video.